projected toolpath for 4 5-axis cutline. In this task we review the current toolpath. Disable all datum display types. Right-click 1 Surface Milling OP010 from the model tree and select Edit Definition. Review the toolpath. In the menu manager, click Play Path Screenplay. Click Play from the Play Path dialog box. Click Close from the Play Path dialog box when complete. Note: you can slide the display speed selector right or left to speed up or slow down the display. In this task we update the parameter Gouge Avoid option to give a projected toolpath. Click Step Parameters from the Update group. In the Edit Parameters of Sequence dialog box, click All and edit the Gouge Avoid option to Project Tool. Click OK. Click Screenplay from the menu manager. Click Play. Click Close. This completes the demonstration.